Solving inequalities. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Our objectives are: one, we're going to define the term inequality. Two, list all the inequality symbols. Identify the rules relating to solving inequalities and demonstrate the steps for solving an inequality. And we're going to have 3 examples and then a question for you. Inequality. An inequality is an algebraic statement in which the quantities are not equal. The symbols which connect the left-hand side and the right-hand side of an inequality are as follows. So here we have the less than and equals to, more than and equals to, greater than sign, and the less than sign. Example 1, we have 8t minus 1 is less than or equals to 23. First, we are going to move the minus 1. So remember we talked about the left-hand side. So here is the left-hand side, and here is the right-hand side. And here is our inequality. So we're going to move this minus 1 over the inequality, and it's going to become a plus 1. So then 8t will be less than or equals to 24. 23 plus 1. Then we're going to divide both sides of the inequality by the number that is in front of our letter t term. So it's 8t, and the coefficient of t is 8. So we'll divide both sides by the number 8. We're going to cancel the 8. Okay, we get 1 and 1, giving us t. 8 into 8 is 1, and 8 into 24 is 3. So t is less than or equals to 3. Example 2, we have negative 2b is less than 4. Again, left-hand side, and over here is the right-hand side, and this is our inequality sign, less than. So what we're going to do here is, again, this is our term, negative 2b, and we're going to divide both sides of the inequality by the number in front of b, which is negative 2. Then we're going to cancel the 2's. The negative sign will also cancel. 1, 1. Negative 2 and 4. Now when you divide a negative into a positive, you're going to get a negative. So we know that 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2. But because of this negative sign, our answer is going to be a negative 2. Okay? So another rule associated with inequalities is when you divide an inequality by a negative, you reverse the inequality sign. So here we had negative, we had a less than sign. It's now going to become a greater than sign. Okay, so the final answer, B, is more than negative 2. Here is our third example. 3g minus 20 is less than 1 plus 5g. So again, left hand side, right hand side. our inequality, less than. So we're going to group like terms. So 3g will go with this plus 5g. We carry over on the left hand side, it's going to become a minus 5g. We have our less than sign. We leave 1, which is on the right. But we're going to move this minus 20, which is going to give us plus 20. Now 5 from 3 is going to give us a negative 2, negative 2g, less than 1 plus 20 is 21. So right now our term is negative 2g, and our coefficient of g is this negative 2. So we're going to divide both sides of the inequality by negative 2. And we have done that. When we do that, we're going to cancel this and this will cancel to get 1. The two negative signs will also cancel to give us a positive g. Again, when we divide a positive by a negative, we're going to get a negative answer. So negative 2 into 21, we're going to get a decimal. So we're going to get negative 10.5. Okay, when we divide that out, we're going to get a negative 10.5. Again, remember the rule is when you divide both sides of the inequality by a negative, you're going to have to reverse the inequality sign. So before it was less than, now it's going to be greater than. So here it's your turn, and this is your question. 12y plus 5 is more than and equals to 10 plus 7y. Please leave your answer in the comments below. Looking forward to these answers. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We looked at solving inequalities. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.